Y'all don't even know how excited I am for this episode. Today we're gonna do potentially my favorite recipe of all time because they are so good. Come on, lettuce wraps. Try this one. If you're gonna try any of my recipes, do this. The essentials: onion, garlic, ginger. You can either get ground chicken or ground turkey. You're gonna need hoisin sauce. This is the golden god sauce, the sauce of the gold. It's this thing, this stuff. This stuff's alright, it's just a little more runny. We have soy sauce. This one is amazing. If you've never tried this, it's sweet soy sauce. You all know gochujang. This is the most versatile, amazing lime. And then you gotta have the lettuce. Ow! Why did I do that?
Idiot.
Like I really hit I slapped the out of myself. That's gonna be one of those slow-mo ones where it's just like whoop, whoop. Start out, we are going to do the onion first. So all you're gonna do is heat your pan, put some olive oil in. Yellow onion in. Going to lightly, very lightly, salt, because we're putting soy sauce in later. Get them a little brown. You don't want to put the garlic in until the onions are ready because you don't want the garlic to burn. Look at that. Getting the crispies, browns. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons of ginger. A little more than that. That's the ginger. And then honestly like an entire tablespoon of minced garlic. We love garlic. This is the best smell in the world. It's good for now. Take it off heat and just put it to the side. Okay, so pan is still hot. Add olive oil back in. So because we cooked the onion in there, look at that. You see this like brown kind of texture in the pan. A lot of that residual kind of onion flavor will stay, which is why I like doing this second. We're going to add our chicken. Moisture and water is going to come out of here. So in a second, when it starts to, we are going to strain it so it's not boiling. You don't want water in your pan, otherwise your meat doesn't come in direct contact with the pan and it cooks different. So there's raw stuff all over, but you can see there's liquid pooling in all of the meat, right? And take it out. Get strained. Really hot again. Tiny bit of olive oil. Shake your meat. Don't just put it in the strainer. Look at all that juice. It should sizzle when it hits this. You want this to be real hot. Sizzle, sizzle. Alright, so we're just gonna let it brown up in there for a second. Okay, so we don't want it to overcook, so we're gonna turn it down. And we're ready to start adding in everything back in. So we're gonna put this back in the mix. The order of this doesn't matter at all. Red curry paste, you're gonna get a heaping teaspoon. Chili garlic sauce. This definitely changes the level of spiciness, so if you're not a huge fan of spicy, I wouldn't go too hard. And we got our sweet soy sauce. Probably about a teaspoon of this as well. Regular soy sauce. About a teaspoon of this. A little more. Hoisin sauce. This one is going to be the most, and you just want to get it looking like it's going to cover all of it, really. And you're going to mix it up. Break up those pieces of chicken, make sure that it sees all the sauce. You want the sauce to really get on all sides of the chicken. You don't want any big clumps. There you have it. Heat off. Transfer this over here. Touch of black pepper and our green onions. My favorite part! Yahoo! Bon appetit, mange. So good. This is a whole pound. Her and I will eat this in like 10 minutes, not even. You don't like.
Yeah, I do like them spicy.
Like, oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I should have put more gochujang. Put a little more gochujang than I put if you want to be really spicy. Probably like almost double, not quite. Like 2/3. What? No, whatever. There are things I have added that are very good in this. If you add like mushrooms, that's a really good one. I put sesame seed oil in this sometimes. Constantly. I need to stop. I'm like moving. Why am I moving? I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching me.
Just do a regular one so you have it as an option.
Subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, making chicken. Except for now. Oh, we are making chicken.